Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how you can set up your promotional emailer campaign for your e-commerce store. Now my personal recommendation is Mailchimp. The reason being is it's a very robust platform which has a very user-friendly and step-by-step walkthrough process which makes it very simple to start out when you're a new business owner starting your e-commerce store. So it can get a bit tricky even if it is simple. So don't worry about that. I'm here to help you, to walk you through it. Let's get right into it. Signing up for a Mailchimp account is pretty straightforward. It's as simple as signing up for an email account like Gmail. So search for Mailchimp and then click on the link and then simply follow their sign up flow. Now I've already created a Mailchimp account, so I'll simply click login. You need to enter your username, which would be your email address, and your password. You can leave the keep me logged in checkbox checked so that it's easier for you to log in the next time. Then click login. Once you log in, you will be presented with a welcome screen. Once you're there, click on create. You simply need to click on email, the first option, and just go with the regular tab. We have a client who are into women's fashion, so they would go with something like new women's collection. You can put in any name you want. It's just the campaign name, not your email subject line, so something that you can remember. Then click begin. You need to upload your contacts or your customer database into your Mailchimp account. So once that's done, it will be automatically selected over here. So that will be done when you're signing up for your Mailchimp account. It will ask you to upload your database. Next, you need to add the from fields. So you can enter the name and the way you want the customers to see your name and email address. Then you click save. Now is the most important part, the subject line. Here they already tell you what are the best practices of a great subject line. You need to try not to use more than 9 words, try no more than one emoji, try not using more than one emoji, avoid using more than 60 characters, and avoid using more than 3 punctuation marks. So for a women's clothing campaign, we would go with a subject line, something on the lines, explore our latest collection. And you can add an emoji to give it a personal touch. Another important aspect here is the preview text. The preview text helps in getting more clicks to your emails. It gives your customer a brief window or a brief impression of what's going to be inside the emailer. To illustrate, let me show you how it looks like. For example, this emailer from Ask FM has a subject line, you're invited, and it has an emoji. The text that you see after that is the preview text. It gives you a brief idea as to what's there inside the emailer, and that allows the customer to whether click on it or not. So you can enter something that would be enticing, something like exclusive offers. And then click save. So after you're done with your subject line, the content of your email is the most important part. So let's go to design email. The coolest part about Mailchimp is that there are pre-made templates that are even mobile friendly. And not only that, they also have e-commerce templates. So you simply need to select one and then customize it based on the products that you sell. So there are various layouts that you can choose. However, you can simply go to themes, and then here you will be able to see that there are a couple of e-commerce templates or layouts. So you click e-commerce template, one of them, and then you can customize it the way you want based on the products that you sell. It has a simple drag and drop interface. So you need to simply drag items from this side of the window to the left. And here you will be able to see a preview of how your emailer will look like once it is completed. So you can change the text over here and the font. You just click on the pencil icon here, and then this one is a logo. It's a PNG file. So you can replace that with your own logo. You can also add a text block here. So once you're done editing a particular block, you just click save and close. Now if I want to add a piece of text over here, you just drag and drop it there. And then it will open the editor window by clicking on the pencil, and you can simply type in the text that you want. You will see dummy text over here, and you can just replace it with exclusive offers or any other message that you'd like to convey. And then you click on save and close. Now you can just run through the entire emailer, and you can also preview it by clicking on enter preview mode. Here you'll be able to see how your emailer will look like once it is in the inbox. And then you can click the X button here to exit out of the preview mode. Now one thing that I'd like to discuss here is that the footer will have the default Mailchimp branding. So you need to click on the pencil icon here, and then you need to remove the Mailchimp branding from the footer. So you need to first preview and see where it appears. It appears right at the footer, right below the unsubscription link. Now this feature is actually available for a paid account. So this is a free account, so I won't be able to remove that. But if you have a paid account, it will still have this branding, but you need to manually remove that. So once you're done with your emailer, you click on continue. So now you have the to field done, your from field done, subject done, and the content ready. You're ready to send your emailer. You simply need to hit the send button, but you can also schedule the emailer. Now, if you're scheduling the emailer in the night or at a time when the customer is not there, then you might as well schedule it at 9 a.m. or timings that your customers are usually available to read your emails, and schedule it. That's about it. So that was a quick tutorial on how to set up your Mailchimp account and your promotional emailer campaign. So if you have any doubts or you need more clarification on how this is done, or any bottlenecks or anything that you get stuck on, don't hesitate to contact me, and I will be more than glad to help you out.